Alright guys, what's going on? John back here with another video. So, we are filming on the iPhone today because I don't have a filmer. So I'm filming on the iPhone, a little bit easier, a little bit more stabilized, because I did have some stabilization comments the last video. But nonetheless, we're going to get right into this thing. So we're working on the BRZ. The only thing I really want to do, I just want to check the oil, make sure oil level is good, and I want to adjust the camber on this side, because as you can see, the camber is a little bit, cambery. On this side, it's definitely way more even and flush with the fender. So I'm going to just go ahead and adjust the camber on this side to kind of take it out a little bit more. And I got my buddy out here. He's hanging with us. First things first, shop towels. Rip you off a little slice here. And let's do this thing. All right, well, we got oil, so that's it's a big plus, guys. Let's find out. So if we look at the dipstick here, I don't even know, you guys can't really tell, but it's about halfway. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil, no biggie. Oil is now topped off, so we're going to mat. Now we're going to go ahead and try and adjust this camber a little bit because, like I said, camber's a little bit wonky right now. Alright guys, so camber is now all adjusted on this. Looks a lot more flush with the actual fender now, so that'll be good. We won't have any uneven wear on the tire. Should be set. My buddy's still chilling out there. This thing looks absolutely awesome in the sun. I love this color. I don't think I'll ever get bored of it. But anyways, let's get into the main part of this video and do some first-person driving of the Turbo BRZ. Who doesn't love that? Let's get into it. launch with the 335D with the new trans tune. Wow, it shifted really early. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Most of it was just POV driving. I know a lot of you guys like the raw POV videos, especially when it comes to the BRZ. I thought I'd throw in some clips of the BMW that I had prior, so let me know how you guys like those clips as well. Overall, I want to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions on this type of video. If you guys like more POV and raw style videos, I'll definitely post some more of those before winter comes up, because soon enough I'll be storing the BRZ for the winter, unfortunately. But I do want to try and make as much content as I can before I go ahead and put the car away and hibernate it for the winter. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also like and comment. Help out the algorithm. Help me out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions on any other type of videos that you guys want to see with the 335D or the BRZ, please let me know and I'll make that for you guys. Thanks, guys. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.